Welcome back guys to Crypto4light channel. Today we'd like to talk about Solana once again. How low we can drop. If this dump is over or not. Let's dive in. In my Telegram channel, I made a post what I learned from this drop. And like we can see, we understand in crypto zero decentralization. Mostly main players control all assets and they can do whatever they want. It's hard to believe, but we have to understand DCA strategy doesn't work. For example, on Sol, the price was 250, then drop 100%. You bought Solana at 100. All right, good. Then we drop one more time to 30. Drop 50% or 70% more. You bought it. Now we drop to 9. So if you use the DCA strategy, now your average price around 40. So it doesn't make any sense, and we can drop even to $2. That's why if you truly believe in some project, you can accumulate it because it's investments, it's risk, and crypto is a high risk asset. Also, why HODL strategy doesn't work well also. Imagine the people who bought Bitcoin at 2020 now got zero profit. That's why the best what we can do is trading. Because no matter what happened in the market, we're going up or down, we can trade and make money with zero emotion, just using the indicators and using technical analysis. So let's jump into Solana. So November 7, I made a post, Solana and mass adoption drive the coin idea. And I mentioned the last support zone is 19 till 18. If we lose it, $9 will be capitulation. And we capitulate exactly to $9. So what can happen next and why we can drop even to $5? Top listing, and at least we have to come back and test 50% of this week candle, because this candle is on trade. And it's hard to believe, yes, we can drop to $4.90 by market, so we can drop it, find a support and bounce it. So $5 can be the last stop for Sol. So let's turn off our emotion now and jump into indicators. What indicators show us? On a weekly time frame, we don't even see signal to buy and no signal for accumulation on a weekly time frame. On a daily time frame, we got a signal about accumulation in this area when Sol trade around 29. The big players start to accumulate. We got a pump here at September 22 and we rise from 30 till 38. Then, like you can see, every time when we touch fundamental price, we bounce. And we bounce from the buy line. According to this plan, I'm waiting the test of the buy line, but buy line is dynamic line and the buy line was at 17. So idea was right. So we have to test 19 or 18 and we tested, but we capitulate. Now we have to at least test 50% of this candle, like this one, reject and capitulate once again to $5. Maybe we'll hold on and bounce from this current price. But you have to understand, at this range, you can open short position or look into open short position. Depends on what's going on in the market. On the daily time frame, zero signals to buy now. So maybe, yes, we can drop even lower to test something like this one. If some negative news appear from FTX and Binance once again, and look, we drop once again under the fundamental price. So we hold the line at a bounce, buy line, reaction, and capitulation. Now we trade under fundamental price. Yes, we can drop lower and lose in momentum from this current price 60% more. So on Solana example, we see the DCA strategy doesn't work well. If we bounce, and if Solana recover, I don't think so Solana is a scam. I don't think so, because if Solana crash to zero, it means the Google, it's take a part in this scam. Yes. So at least if we test and close this gap on a weekly time frame, $4.90 or even $5.40, it means we have to at least bounce to take profit line. Take profit line is dynamic line, but now it's 35. So it's crazy because it can be around 600% pump. And about Solana, you have to remember the big investors bought Solana at 0.20 cents. That's why how big funds scam people. and they can sell it at least at $5, at $20, at still insane profit. That's how the pump and dump coin works. So on a weekly time frame, yes, we can bounce to minimal rates. Target for global correction, it's 168. Yes, this still in play, you know? That's why, guys, just be careful. Invest only what you can afford to lose. For a long term, if you wait some targets for a long term, just invest, forget about it, and wait. Add your alerts, take profit, and that's it. So now it's kind of risky to trade Solana because it's so volatile, but I mentioned where you can add your limit orders. And if you bought some SOL, you can sell it, some part of a position at take profit line, withdraw it, leave the free coins, and just lose nothing if Solana's come to zero or lower. That's why, guys, learn how to trade, use indicators. If you want to also use my custom indicators only for $1 per day, just write me DM. Thank you for watching. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.